We're live just 5 minutes early so that we have the opportunity to share on the various platforms. So you're on the welcome to our Facebook page, the Bubbly Maths Facebook page. We're sharing it most importantly on the Making Maths Fun for Kids of all ages Facebook group, and please do join us on that group. That group has basically been activated since the beginning of the quarantine so that parents home learning, we can do our bit to help home learning specifically in maths. So thank you for joining us, and in the process of getting it shared in all the various groups, I'm going to have a look, see. We've been having issues. Oh, welcome to our Facebook page. Okay. So it's been a matter of finding it, and then is it being shared, and is it not being shared? I've been having so much fun, such a fun time, and we've just had some wonderful people joining us, extra people joining us. So I'm just hopefully you'll get a chance of loads of people. Just it's been such a privilege over the last 3 or 4 weeks now. I have no idea, since we started doing these lives at 9 o'clock in the morning London time and 8 o'clock at night London time, and I started doing a 10 a.m. session for Littlies because we're good. We're on, and then can we share it on my profile as well? Just oh please, oh please, please can we share? Oh please, pretty Molly, please. Got 3 minutes left, and so what the idea of what we're doing tonight is to just let you know what we're doing in the morning. Let you know what we're doing in the morning. So no matter where you are in the world, the 8 p.m. London time session will prepare you for the following session. So no matter where you are in the world, it will prepare you for the one that's coming in 13 hours time. So I'm going to start properly on time. Well, you know what, why not? I'll just repeat. Might do it twice since so what we're doing today is all about shadows. Now, why are we looking at shadows? We're looking at shadows, but not what we'll do in the morning. Tomorrow, the next session is to look at the shadows that items cast, but not to actually see the shadow per se, but to be able to visualize the shape that is causing the shadow. So what you'll find is a lot of shapes have similar shadows, and yet the shape can be different. So I just went into the kitchen, went around the house and found different things. Well, we've got some might get some shadows out of this. We might get some shadows out of spice. Just a spice envelope, that's it. See what shadow that projects. The idea is to actually have a touch and feel for a real item that causes a real shadow, because where does maths learning happen once you get past a certain age? This one, by the way, sorry, this is primary. This is aimed at primary, but you know what? I, as a secondary school learner, didn't have the ability to visualize the items that we had on a flat piece of paper. So this would have been useful to me even when I was 16, 18 years old, so that I could actually have a real representation in my head in my mind's eye, of the 2D patterns that we were looking at. I found, look, a box of tea. I found, well, I'm just going to show you that in a moment. We've got a cylinder, which you can look from different directions. I found a cup, a toilet paper. We're going to have a look at the shadow of that in the morning. And then also in the resource is some activities that you can fold. So I'm going to start again because it's now 8 o'clock. So welcome to the official live. And let me just do something else, which I keep forgetting to do, which is record the sessions so that